Hello everyone, welcome back to Travel Vlogs. Today we are in the most beautiful and spectacular city, Copenhagen, the capital city of Denmark. This country and city has so many things for any tourist. Cathedrals, palaces, canals, cruise journey. There are so many things. Very rich in history, culture and heritage.
The other big city in Denmark, Aarhus.
As normal, sample videos in the beginning. Hope you will like it.
Much quicker than the regular airplane.
If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive future notifications of my videos. Posted many videos across the world with the detailed description so that travel can be made easy. Please like, subscribe and share my channel Travel Vlogs for more such videos. We started our journey from Malmo, Sweden. Most spectacular bridge, Øresund Bridge connects Malmo and Copenhagen. In fact, connects two countries, Sweden and Denmark. I have posted another video on Malmo Bridge. Please don't forget to watch. The journey between these two cities will be around 30 minutes. Now we are in Copenhagen heading towards Ferry Point in Nyhavn Canal. In this video I am covering Copenhagen with 1 hour canal cruise from Nyhavn. This 1 hour boat tour covers main harbour and adjoining canals. And this departs from Nyhavn Canal and see lovely houses, ancient castles and beautiful churches along the way.
Please remain seated. Watch your head. You might have ducked a little bit because it is very low. So watch your umbrellas as well. Yeah. Madam, her komt den niedrige brücke. Bitte sich mal machen Sie auf den Kopf. Vielleicht sind Sie ein bisschen niedriger Makropol. Okay, there are 13 of these bridges ahead of us. Just so that you know, ja. Es gibt immer noch 13 von dieser Brücke vorne von uns. Und dieses Gebiet heißt Nyhavn. Es ist eine der Top 3 Touristattraktionen Kopenhagens. Nyhavn bedeutet Neuhafen.
In this video I am also covering Little Mermaid and royal attractions like Christiansborg Palace and Rosenborg Castle. More clips ahead, please don't forget to watch till end.
You can see the white building with the blue windows. This is the headquarters of the shipping company Maersk, one of the biggest companies in Denmark with 89,000 employees, and it is also one of the biggest container transporting companies in the world, responsible for up to 25% of all container traffic in the world. Maersk. Meine Damen und Herren, an der linken Seite der Boot, das weiße Gebäude mit den blauen Fenstern ist, da sitzt das Unternehmen Maersk, einer der größten Unternehmen Dänemarks mit 89.000 Angestellte, und es ist auch einer der The other big city in Denmark, Aarhus. Tour that only takes 35 minutes from city center to city center. Yeah, much quicker than the regular airplane. Meine Damen und Herren, vorne links ein Seeflugzeug ist gerade angekommen.
We are in Christiansborg Palace and Church. So with this we are coming to the end of this video. Hope you have liked it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel Travel Vlogs for more such videos. So see you again with one more new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.